5 blue sweets, 3 red and 2 green sweets and no other sweets in the box. Well, he chooses 3 sweets at random from the box and puts them in his pocket. Calculates the probability of choosing 3 red sweets as 3/10 times 3/10 times 3/10, which gives this. What incorrect assumption has he made? Well, it probably stays as 3/10 because it wouldn't done. Because if he had chosen 3/10, that would say a red sweet. I'll do it in red. If he had chosen red followed by red followed by red, it would have been 3/10 for the first one, but then it would have only been 2/9, and then it would have been only 1 out of 8 left after he put the first 2 in his pocket. And then you would have times them together and you would not have got this. So we're going to show the probability of choosing 3 sweets of the same colour is 11/120ths. Right. So we've got, I'll set up a tree diagram. Blue, red, green, followed by blue, red, green, followed by blue, red, green. And actually, our 3 sweets are the same colour. So the only way of getting that would be blue followed by blue followed by blue, or red followed by red followed by red, or green followed by green followed by green. So I only need to look at those considerable roots because it's going to get a bit messy if I don't. So let's put the probabilities on. Let's put the labels: blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, and blue, red, green, and that'll be blue, and that'll be straight across. That's red, and that's down, and so that's green. So what have we got? First one, blue is 5 out of 10, and then this is 3 out of 10, and that's 2 out of 10. Never cancel these down. So if I cancel that down to a half, it'd be really hard to work out what the next one is. But here, if you've taken a blue one, you know there's only 4 blue ones left out of 9, and then you know there's only 3 out of 8. This red one here took 3 out of 10. This would now be 2 out of 9, followed by 1 out of 8. That's why I said here. And green, 2 out of 10, followed by 1 out of 9, and that's going to be 0. So you've taken 2, you've got no chance of getting all 3 ones being green. So I just have to look at these 2 possibilities here, and I'll put the cross to remind myself to times the probabilities. And so this will be 5/10 times by 4/9 times by 3/8, and that equals, times all tops together, 20 times by 3 is 60, times bottoms together, well, I'll do 8 times 9 to get 72, times by 10 is 720. Don't forget we're doing the same colour, so that can only mean blue, 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 or red, red, red. It can't be green because that's impossible to get that one. Okay, so this one here will be 3/10 times by 2/9 times by 1/8, and that gives me, again, the bottom is going to be 720 and top bit will be 6. So I have to add them up. So either that root or this root, which will be 66 over 720, and I can cancel that down. I want it to look like this. It looks like I have to divide top and bottom by 6. And divide top by 6 gives me 11, that's looking good. Divide the bottom by 6 also is looking good because that gives me 120. That's what I wanted it to be, and I've done it. But I would always use a tree diagram if possible on questions like this. And that's 13 done.